This tropical beauty could destroy your cat's liver. This plant is actually native to southern Japan. People love having it in their home because it's tropical and has very dramatic fronds. However, this plant contains cycasin, a deadly toxin. This toxin causes vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, jaundice, liver failure, and even death. And yes, it is toxic to dogs as well, extremely. Safe alternatives include ponytail palm, this is still very safe with that wonderful tropical look, or parlor palm, which is lush and also safe. Just remember, one seed can actually kill your cat or dog. Don't risk it.